Hello and welcome to this video, where I will be taking you through the Olixar Samsung Galaxy S10 5G glass screen protector with installation tray. With curved edges that completely cover your screen, this ingenious protector uses tempered glass construction for perfect clarity, while offering shock protection technology to keep your screen free from scratches. What makes Olixar's glass protector different from most brands is the addition of the installation tray. It offers that something extra when applying your protector, making sure you get the placement perfect every time. Before you install your protector, make sure you have all the tools provided close to hand. Inside the box, you'll find a screen wipe, a dust remover, 3 grip stickers, a microfiber cloth, and the installation tray with screen protector. Wipe the screen down and dry it off with the cloth to make sure it's clean of fingerprints. Place your Samsung Galaxy on the tray as so, locking the phone into place. Remove any dust particles with the dust remover sticker to ensure your screen is clear from imperfections. Once you've removed the outer layer and applied the guide stickers, place the screen protector in the tray using it as a guide to line up your protector perfectly. All you need to do now is drop the protector into place for complete coverage. Once you remove the guide stickers and the installation tray, you wouldn't even notice the protector had been applied. With the screen protector being so thin, I think it really makes a difference. There's hardly any delay when using the phone's features at all, and with it being a glass protector, I don't feel any traction when swiping it like I would with a regular plastic protector. The huge selling point for me is the full coverage protection from the curved edges. It fills all the way down to the sides so seamlessly that I can barely tell that it's there, and stops anything scratching the sides. Even with this extra protection, it still fits seamlessly inside all of my cases and works really well with the official Clearview cover case. Overall, this case is an excellent, easy to install way to protect my Samsung Galaxy S10 5G without compromising its sleek, modern look. I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Olixar Samsung Galaxy S10 5G glass screen protector with installation tray. If you'd like to get your hands on this device, please follow the links in the description and feel free to leave any comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile accessory news.